Practical activity 8.06. Sorry, practical 06 open 8.09. Change cells A2, A4, A11, A15 to be bold and font size 40. 2, 4, and 15. So, press control, make them bold, and at the same time, font size 14. So you can use control to do multiple selections. Add borders to the bottom of the cells B4, C4, this bottom line, okay? So B4, C4, so B4, C4, C11, B11, C11, D11. Right? So you can choose this option for here, right? Okay. Next. Add a thick blue border around cells A1 to D19. So A1 to D19. I will be putting over here is a thick border. Right? Done that. Shade A1 to D1 and A1 to A19 yellow. So A1 to D1. So A1 to D1 yellow and A1 to A19. So A1 to A19. Shade C15 and D15 in black. C13, sorry. C13 in black and D13. Add a comment to cell B2 to read, this is the commission to commission a school. This is the commission a schooler. Add a comment to B2. Will earn. That's how you add a commission.